Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am YaYa and this is my RSX Type S. In today's video, we're going to be installing the turbo kit. To prepare for this, we installed the fuel system, wrapped the heating hoses, and connected the oil line. So let's get to it. So we're going to start with my 1320 Performance Sidewinder Manifold. Let's get it in there in the back. So as you can see, everything is installed, starting with the manifold, the wastegate, turbo, and downpipe. The hardest part of this process for me was the downpipe because I had to reroute all the lines, including the harness. But for that, I did have help. Shout out to Tech. He's the one guiding me through all my builds. So stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be installing the intercooler and the intercooler piping. That's it for today, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with my builds. Until next time.